One of the top cryptocurrency wallets for desktop right now is called MetaMask. MetaMask is already one of the top cryptocurrency wallets out there with millions of users who are already using the desktop wallet. It's very secure and they have a phenomenal support team. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the MetaMask crypto wallet. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial to help you get started using MetaMask, because I know especially for beginners investing in crypto, this is not exactly an easy thing to do, right? When you're first setting up your wallet, there are a lot of things that go into it. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the MetaMask wallet, and by the end of this tutorial, you should be a MetaMask expert. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way, as I give more cryptocurrency tips like this, you'll get notified. All right, so let's go ahead and begin the step-by-step MetaMask tutorial today. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to metamask.io to begin the installation process on your desktop. So once you visit MetaMask, it's really simple actually. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to click on download now. That way you can begin adding this to whatever browser you're using. And what's really cool about MetaMask is they have quite a few browsers that you can add the extension to. So it's very versatile. It services both iOS, Android, and you'll basically have a whole lot of different browsers that you can use MetaMask on, even if you have different types of laptops or different types of browsers. And they also have a mobile app. So you can see the supported browsers right here. So whatever one you're using, just go ahead and click on that supported browser and then just click on install on whatever browser you're using. So after you've successfully installed MetaMask on your browser, you're going to want to click on the Fox icon, which should now appear on your browser. So after you click on that, now you're going to need to set up your account on MetaMask. So you should see this screen right here. It's going to ask you if you've already have an account. For the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to do it like as if you're a brand new beginner to MetaMask. So you're going to click on create a wallet option, which is yes, let's get set up. And after you do that, it's going to ask you to first create a password. So be sure that you do the minimum 8 characters. I really recommend you do, at least 15 characters just for added security, and then just store that password maybe on paper or on an app that secures passwords for you, because this is how you're going to actually access your MetaMask wallet. So be sure to create a very secure password. So the next screen is going to be your secret backup phrase. This is very important because this is how you're going to actually access your wallet in the event that you forget your password or you're using another desktop, for example, because this is a desktop wallet. So the secret phrase is super important when you want to access your wallet. In case you forget or are locked out for whatever reason, support will help you, but you will need to have your secret phrase backed up. And it does need to also be in the sequence that you see it in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because on the next screen, MetaMask is going to ask you to verify your backup phrase. So make sure this is secure. You put it on paper. You can store it on a really secure iPhone app if you want, or Android app. But I really recommend that you have this backed up on paper and really secured storely in some place safe. Now, after you've securely stored your secret phrase, now it's going to ask you to put your phrase into the app itself just to verify that you have it already on your hand and that this is going to be your account. So remember when I said that you needed to remember the sequence of the phrase? This is where that comes into play. So when you want to confirm your backup phrase, be sure to enter each word in the exact order that it was first given to you. So when you saw it, word number 1 should be the very first word that you click on. Word number 2 that you have should be, whatever word that is. Just make sure you put them in the exact sequence that you originally saw them and have them written down on. This is going to verify your account with MetaMask. Alright, so at this point, you should already have your MetaMask wallet set up. All you're going to need to do at this point is deposit some Ether into your wallet. That way you can begin using it to use it for transactions or for any other thing that require you to pay for gas. So the default network that MetaMask opens all new accounts on is going to be on Ethereum. So that's very important to know. So once you're at this screen, if you want to go ahead and deposit some Ethereum to go ahead and start using this wallet with protocols, all you want to do is click on buy right here, and it'll give you several different options that you can choose from to buy ETH in order to fund your wallet. So you can use these two services, and you can also use another wallet where you can buy ETH with a debit card like Coinbase or crypto.com, one of those wallets, and you can just transfer your ETH from that wallet to this wallet in order to begin using it. Let's just say you've already deposited some ETH. If you want to send ETH from this wallet to another wallet, you'll simply click on send and then paste the Ethereum address right here, and then you'll be able to send Ethereum to whatever wallet you'd like. So that's really how simple it is to receive Ethereum and send Ethereum. You can do any sort of coin that you can think of that's on the Ethereum blockchain. You can basically use MetaMask to access those coins and store them on your desktop wallet. If you want to swap tokens on MetaMask, you can also do that with the swap feature right here. So all you'll need to do is click on swap, and then you'll be able to swap any coin that you want that's on the Ethereum blockchain. It'll then tell you to set your slippage tolerance, which I'm not going to go over in this video right now. It's a little advanced. I would just leave it at the default that it's already at, which is at 3%, and then you can just select any sort of token. So if you want to transfer some ETH to USDC and you already have ETH in your wallet, you'll just go ahead and put however much ETH you want, and it'll tell you how much USDC you're going to get, and then you can begin to review the swap to conduct a transaction. And at that point, you'll just pay for the gas fee, and that's it. So you can see the MetaMask wallet is pretty versatile. It allows you to do quite a few things, but what I really like about it is that it's also very simple to use, right? They don't have anything too complicated for you to use. If you just want to buy, send, and swap cryptocurrency all within a single desktop wallet, you're able to do that with MetaMask, and it just, in my opinion, is one of the easiest and most secure wallets that you can find right now. Now, another thing to know is that when you're creating your wallet, you'll be able to switch different blockchains at the top right here. So by default, Ethereum mainnet is the default blockchain. However, you can add Phantom, you can add Polygon, you can add the Binance blockchain, you can add Binance Smart Chain. You can add any sort of blockchain that you want to your wallet, so that way this can be your multi-chain wallet. You don't have to have a whole bunch of different wallets for different blockchains. This wallet will basically let you add any sort of blockchain that you want simply by following a few steps. So I'm actually going to show you how to add different blockchains to your MetaMask wallet. In case you're already seeing cryptocurrencies that are on other blockchains, I'm going to quickly show you how to add a blockchain to your MetaMask wallet, so that way you can easily make this your go-to wallet when you're looking for multi-chain coins and you want a wallet that can basically do everything for you all within one place. So let's just say for this example that you want to add the Phantom network to your MetaMask wallet. To do that, it's really simple. First, you'll need to go to the Phantom website. So if you want to add the Phantom blockchain in order to buy cryptocurrencies that are on the Phantom network, just go to phantom.foundation and you'll be at this screen right here. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on developers and you're going to click on set up MetaMask. Remember, all we're doing right here is we're just going to get information for you to set up your MetaMask to have multiple blockchains in a single wallet. So all you'll need to do is from the drop down right here, it's going to give you these options. All you're going to do is click on the custom RPC option, and then it's going to ask you for this information right here. So this is very important information, steps 1 through 5. So after you click on this little drop down, click custom RPC, and then it's going to ask you for this information right here. And all you need to do, this is how easy this is to add multiple blockchains, is just copy and paste 1 through 5 exactly where it tells you. So this will be number 1. The network name is Phantom Opera. RPC URL, you'll just copy the URL right there. Chain ID 250, put that there. Symbol FTM. And then the block explorer, that's optional, but you always want to copy that right here and just paste. So it's super easy. 1 through 5 is already listed for you. And after you do that, you'll now have access to the Phantom network. So I'll recommend that you add all the top blockchains right now. Just click custom RPC. And if you want to add Polygon, just go to Polygon's website, go to developers, MetaMask setup, and it's going to literally be something exactly like this. This will be different, obviously, for the Matic network, but you just copy that and boom, you're done. So add all of the top blockchains so that way your MetaMask wallet will be versatile and you'll be able to transact mainnet on all the blockchains with all the really great cryptocurrencies that are on them. So now that you've added another blockchain, which was Phantom, to access it, all you'll need to do is click the drop down, and just click on Phantom Opera, and boom, now you have Phantom mainnet on your wallet, and your wallet ID will still stay the same. So it'll be the same exact wallet ID, and MetaMask will automatically just put it to the correct blockchain. So you don't have to worry about having multiple wallets for different blockchains. It can just be one single wallet ID, and you can have all kinds of different cryptocurrencies. So if you send anything from Phantom mainnet like USDC that's on Phantom network, boom, you send it here, you'll have no problem getting it. It's the same wallet ID. That doesn't change for any blockchain. So this is always going to stay the same. Ethereum, the only thing you do to change the blockchain is just this little drop down right here, and that's it. And now I can do anything I want on the Phantom network. If I want to do a loan on Phantom, if I want to access a decentralized exchange, whatever it is, I can now do that on Phantom mainnet. And of course, you do need to still have some sort of Phantom in your wallet in order to pay for gas. So whenever you add a blockchain to your MetaMask account, just be sure you have a little bit of the native token in that wallet in order to pay for gas. So to do that, most blockchains have a faucet, which you can access from the website, and you'll be able to get a little bit of Phantom for free in order to pay for transactions on Phantom. So it's really that easy. If you don't want to use a faucet, you can also do a bridge, but I'll go ahead and go into a bridge in another video. It's a little bit more advanced, but in my opinion, it's making this multi-chain world that we're living in super easy for anyone to get involved and start using cryptocurrencies across different blockchains with the blink of an eye. So that'll be for another video. I just wanted to give you a real quick MetaMask tutorial on how you can be a complete beginner and now an expert on MetaMask. And now you'll be able to use your desktop wallet with MetaMask on any cryptocurrency site that you'd like, because most cryptocurrency sites have MetaMask as one of their main wallets. So go out and start using MetaMask today. They have a phenomenal support team as well. So if you have any questions at all specific that I didn't go over, you can also reach out to MetaMask. They'll be the first place I recommend that you go to for any sort of troubleshooting issues, and they'll get back to you right away to help you resolve any issues that you might have. They're a fantastic wallet. They're very secure. They've been around for a long time, and it's one of the wallets I really think is going to be here for the long term. So yeah, now you can use the MetaMask wallet and do all of the really cool things that you want to do in the cryptocurrency space. Well, thank you so much for watching this step-by-step tutorial on how to use MetaMask efficiently. I hope you got so much value out of this video. And if there's anything I left out, feel free to leave me a comment below with any questions you might have, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I know from firsthand experience just how difficult it can be trying to set up your MetaMask wallet, especially if you're just getting into the cryptocurrency space. And it took me a lot of trial and error to really get the hang of MetaMask. And now it's one of my favorite cryptocurrency wallets out there right now. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.